Tropical Storm Fay has formed. It is packing maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. It is likely going to hit tomorrow for the mid-Atlantic, New England, New York City, Long Island, Delmarva, and parts of the Atlantic Ocean. And Saturday for parts of New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, and this all, I think, should be over by sometime Saturday night or Sunday morning. So, flooding rain, heavy downpours, tornadoes, tropical storm force, wind gusts. Those are all possibilities for this storm. So, it is likely going to weaken to a tropical depression once it hits parts of New York State. And it should weaken to a post-tropical depression by the time it hits Canada because of the land